Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle and welcome back to another lovely crispy video. You guys, I'm gonna be making samosas today, so please stay tuned and enjoy this video. So first things first, you're gonna want to make the filling. I use chicken for this particular recipe, of course, because they're chicken samosas. Anyway, you chop off your peppers. I use green, red and yellow. Depending on your preference, you can use more or less. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the family. You've made my day, you've made my week, you've made my month. I love you so much. Please do comment where you're watching from, and then I'm gonna tag you in my next video just to appreciate you, Nyana, for supporting me. Thank you guys. Thank you. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. I've never been so excited for 190 subscribers. You guys, it's like a reward. Growth on YouTube is a struggle. It's so different from other social media platforms. It needs patience. You have to be patient. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. One thing that I like about this recipe is that it's not complicated. You just use ready-made chicken, be it fried, baked or grilled or even stewed. I used stewed for this particular recipe. So I'm just mixing the chicken with the veggies and just adding a little bit of spices and water to give it flavor and a little bit of moisture. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. As you can see, these samosas came out very nice and crispy. They tasted amazing. So please do comment and tell me if you're gonna be trying this recipe as well. They were super delicious, you guys. I am not lying. So here's a little packaging idea if you want to do these as a business. So that will be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.